Hey, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Today, I got an update on the boat. So let's get right to it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to come in and check in and let you know, give you a quick little update on the 1984 Sea Ray project. So, as far as the interior, I got the engine back in, got the interior in. I've done a lot of work up to this point. I'm at a point where I can slow down um, on what needs to be done. I'm really pleased with how this boat is turning out. I don't know if you can see behind me, but like I said, I got all the panels back in. I did my electrical work, uh, got the lights in. I'm just trying to go down the list here. There's a lot of work. The Bernini top, got that put on, and then I put in the stereo today. So with that, let's take a tour of the boat. All right, so as I was telling you guys, still got some work. I didn't put the back panel in. I did put the engine cover in and the two side panels just because I want to protect the engine. So that's why I got it in. But just looking at it being in, it looks good, right? Moving on to the side panels and the seats. Got side panels and the seats in. Those are the panels that are reupholstered. These front panels, I didn't do it. They weren't as bad as the rest. I probably could have done them, but at the end of the day, I don't know. I just kind of wanted to have it. I wanted to have it a little bit of some old look. How they say, a little nostalgic look to it. But yeah, the front panel, got that all reupholstered, and I'll come down and show you. I got all my switches, light switches and everything. Now, if you listen, I'm gonna bump the engine, so I'm gonna be quiet. You'll hear it. Hear it? So the engine turns over, she's ready. I just gotta, like I said, do what I need to do to that. Got this panel, I had to replace a couple switches, but I got those all done. Again, it's not nighttime, so you can't see the lights that I ran, but there's a light there that I put, and there's a light over there that I put. All right. This right here, you can see I painted the wood, and then I put laminate over it to give it that wood panel look. I even put a couple new handles. And I don't know how the radio started playing with me recording, but it's playing. A little Dougie Fresh for you. So this is inside. And that's the stereo that I put in today. Here's the lights that you would plus. I think I got a video showing that. But that's where we are. She's looking good. The boat's coming along really, really, really well. What I'm gonna do is I got a lot of footage of me working on the boats, doing little projects. So what I'm gonna do is put together a little video of the work that's been done with some music, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, thank you so much for tuning in to the Golden Spirit Homestead. And even though I haven't been doing a lot of work up at the property, I appreciate the support. We do have, like I told you before, when I went up there, I got the trailer up there. I'm gonna start doing the solar project up there, and then I got my pump house that I got to complete. So I got some things that I'm going to be doing up there on the property, getting the property going. I'm very excited about this, the end of this year and the start of next year. All right, gang, check out this video. Hope you enjoy it.
Cloaked in folds of midnight waters, side by side, we sons and daughters, we set forth for no king's orders, but we'll sail together. Hold fast, tides are turning, flames roar, fires are burning, we'll all be returning if we sail together.
So that's all the work that I've been doing on this boat. I'm proud to say today is the announcement of the name of the boat. The whole time I've been working on this boat, and all the little problems, or if I had a little struggle, the first thing that I say is, come on, buddy, come on, work with me, buddy, come on, work with me. So I think I'm going to name the boat My Buddy. So that's the name of it, the 1984 Sea Ray Cuddy Cabin, My Buddy. All right, gang, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next episode of the Golden Spear Homestead.